If you have hair like me, you know the struggle of trying to grow your hair. My hair is so dry, I have to constantly add water and oils to it to keep it moisturized. And so, really, I've only posted videos on my channel with my natural hair, but I thought that I would give a lace wig a try to give my hair a break, because one of the primary reason why I have a hard time growing my hair is because it gets over processed. I want to style it, I want to look nice, so I comb it and pull it out all the time, and I can be pretty impatient. Some of the times my hair is dry, and if you put a comb through your hair while it's dry, it's gonna fall off. So I ended up ordering a few wigs from Amazon. I have 2 of them on here on this video, and I tried to cut the lace and get it installed myself. With this one here, it was pretty hard. Actually, the cutting of the lace was pretty easy, but to get it to fit correctly in the ear area, I struggled with cutting that part, so it didn't come out too well. Because of that, I ended up giving the wig bangs. Anyway, this wig is from Mega Look. I ordered it from Amazon. It's supposed to be the 13 by 4 lace front wig, bob cut. And initially I liked it. I thought it looked nice on me, but the density is a little much for me. It says that it's 150, but it's a little too thick for my liking. If you are new to lace front wigs and installing them, I would highly recommend getting someone that knows what they're doing to do it for you, because I really struggled with this, mainly because of my ear section. It wasn't shaped to my ear, so it wasn't laying well. That's truly where I struggled the most. Otherwise, as far as styling the hair, flat ironing it or whatever, you can do whatever you want. But unless you do a lot of research into how to cut that part of it to truly get the wig to lay down, I would say that you should get someone to help you with it. Which is what I ended up doing with the second wig coming up, because I didn't want to mess it up. And actually, I ended up returning this wig here because the density was too much, and overall I wasn't so pleased with the quality of the wig. I'm trying to get it to settle down because the hairs changed from the packaging and shipping. Anyway, it doesn't look too bad in here, despite the ear not being cut off. It looks like it's laying okay, it looks okay. I actually really loved this wig when I looked at it, but you know, it just didn't do it for me, so I had to return it. the part to secure it sort of fell apart. So anyway, I've been working on trying to grow my hair for over a year. I've made a lot of progress, but I need to be more consistent and truly take care of it. And with the 4 months that's left into the year, I'm truly gonna try to keep it in protective styles by tying my hair, putting on a wig instead of processing it and pulling it. And hopefully I can do a length check by the end of the year to see how much progress I make. It took me a little while to tame this wig, and I constantly had to go back and try to lay it in that area because it was going over my ear. See? If you don't get that part right, it's just not gonna look good. Anyway, pretty soon here I'll be at the salon getting the other one fitted, and the tech was able to cut the ear section for me. I actually had the lace cut off already in the front section, so all she had to do was cut the ear, and she installed it for me. I made a video of it because I wanted to be able to go back and look to see how she did it so I could do it myself. I was really struggling with this hair. Look at that. Still not down. It looks nice, and actually I brought this one with me to the salon too, and the tech liked it better than the other one I had just because of the density of it, but truly the second wig is way nicer for me because it's very light, very comfortable. For anyone that's seen my videos before, you know that I have scoliosis, and it's important for me to not have my muscles tense up, and so this one, the hair was a little stiff in the back area, so it made it hard for me to keep my neck straight or move around freely, and that's very important for me, and the second wig allows me to be able to do that. And this is the part where I go in and just cut it up and give it bangs because I thought that it would cover up and look better because I wasn't able to cut off the ear section. Oh, what happened? I guess I didn't do it. I promise I did do it. I guess that was me thinking about it. Ay. Oh, I'm going for a side part again. And this hair did not hold up too well after washing it for the first time. So once I washed it, it didn't look like this at all. And actually, it says that it's human hair. It does not feel like human hair to me. I'm not sure what kind of human hair that is, but it feels very synthetic. Trying to style it, give it a little bump at the ends because they were pretty straight and it was a little hard to get to tame the ends and give them a little curve. I didn't think I would be trying a lace front wig on, but for the sake of giving my hair a break from pulling it, I think it's totally worth it. So anyone trying to grow their hair, this is a good alternative to give your hair a break. You know what? I have a feeling that I did not record myself cutting the bangs on this wig. I just remembered I did not record myself cutting it, so it's not included on here. But looking at it here, it looks pretty nice. And actually, I do see some people that have good reviews on it. It just didn't work out for me. I'm talking, saying something. I don't know what I was saying. Not much going on here. Still trying to style and tame this hair. I'm telling you, it just does not feel like human hair at all because it took a lot to tame the edges. Not the edges, the end of it. I really wished this wig had worked for me, but unfortunately it didn't. I actually got 2 of them and ended up returning the other one because since this one didn't work out, there was no point in opening the other one. The video is about to switch to the other hair that I got from Yaya Hair. And of course, I am at the salon to get help from the hair technician. And that's it. Finally, here I am at the hair salon. At the hair salon. I can't talk. She's cutting the ear section so that it'll fit perfectly around my ear. Look at that. Sits perfectly there. That is the part that I could not do by myself. And again, as I mentioned before, my front lace was already cut, so she did not have to do that. Let me tell you, if you are new to lace front wigs, it takes work to do this. It truly takes work. I've taken my wig off since I installed it, and I'm wondering how it's gonna be for me to lay it, install it myself, because she used a hair dryer to dry the glue and I currently do not have a hair dryer, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out. I do see some people lay their wigs without a hair dryer using the freeze spray, so I will try it out while I wait to get a hair dryer. I was so happy to find a hairstylist that was able to install the wig for me at an affordable price, because I tried for a few days and couldn't find someone to do it for me. It takes work and patience to do this. See the difference between this one and the one that I did before? Because it's well cut to my ear shape, it looks natural. It looks like natural hairline, but with the other one, I just could not get it to lay correctly. At this point, I was thinking of whether to get baby hairs or not. I am not a big fan of baby hair, but because the lace is not so close to my natural skin color, I ended up having to get them. Anyway, she was just doing this to help the lace to lay down. Soon she will clean those out. Yeah, so we're still in the middle of this pandemic. So I had to have my face mask on, but because she was working around my ear, I couldn't exactly attach it to my ear, so I had to hold it with my hand. Now I had to sit under the hair dryer to allow the glue to dry, and I am back. She's cleaning the excess glue off and lifting those hairs that she laid to help the lace to lay down. So yes, this was my very first time ever getting a wig installed, so it was interesting experience. I love this wig here. When I walked in with it, she thought it was my natural hair. I would definitely order it again. The density is perfect. It's 130. I absolutely love it. I can move around. My neck doesn't get stiff with it. So I would definitely 100% recommend this one. Looking at it, you can see the difference between that one and the very first one that I tried. The first one is full and very thick, and this one you can see it looks like natural hair. The only thing is the lace. It's not so nice. I wish the lace was better, but otherwise, for the price that I paid for it, it's okay. And this is where she adds the baby hairs. Yeah, you can see the lace a little bit because it's a bit thick. I had to have the baby hairs, otherwise it wouldn't look nice. And yes, I am thinking of getting this wig again, but I'm gonna get it in the 10 inches because the density of this one, although it is nice, I think the ends are a little too thin, so hopefully the 10 inches will be a bit nicer and I can cut it if I need to. And I am almost done. I think it looks nice. It looks really nice. You can tell it's very light. Really, really nice. I think she was asking me whether I wanted to pluck it to make it look more natural. Yes, there she goes. I'm so happy I was able to film this for you. Hopefully this helps someone. And I am going to show you what it looked like after I got home. You saw me in the salon. I finally got my wig fitted and installed. It takes work to do this thing. I struggled a lot with cutting the ear part of it, so I ended up going to a salon because I didn't want to mess it up. She did a pretty nice job. I love how light the hair is. When I walked in, I was wearing it and she thought that it was my natural hair. So that is how nice it is. And this is close to what my hair would look like if I were to straighten it. So I really love it. But if I were to get another one of these, I would get the 10 inch. This is the 8 inches. I would get the 10 inches and style it and cut it myself because In the front part, the hair is a little too thin for my liking. So maybe if I get the 10-inch, then I can cut it and style it how I like. Anyway, hopefully this is gonna help me with doing protective styles to allow my hair to grow so that I don't have to manipulate it and process it all the time. That's the main reason why I got this. I'm new to the whole lace front wig thing, but hopefully I'll be able to install it myself next time. Where's my little mirror? And the brush that just fell down. And that's it. I love it. It's so light. I can move around. I would definitely recommend this hair. Alright, so I ended up changing my lipstick and also putting my hair up. I love the way it looks, so I wanted to share that with you also. Was that a 360? I tried to do a 360 for you. I think I started on the other side. Anyway, that's it.